Wise. So 1, 2, okay. Then 1, 2 and 3 now. See here. First it's moved 2, then it's moved 3. 1, 2 and 3. So next it will move 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be over here. So it will be the answer is B. And then it will move 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this. It is correct 5. So B is the answer. Observation is very important. See here, first 2 moves, then 3 moves, then it will be 4 moves, right? That's why B. There is a certain relationship between 1 and 2. Establish the similar relationship between the figures 3 and 4, means these two figures, by selecting the correct option. Okay. So what you can see, 1 and 2. 1 is a plain square, then 2 is all the diagonals. Remember, square has 2 diagonals. So all the diagonals are drawn. Similarly here it should be. It's a plain pentagon. So all the diagonals should be drawn. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.